Everyday DIYs, and today I will be participating in the Christmas Freestyle Open Collaboration. The hosts are Amethyst Adventures and Decorating with Jazzy Green. The co-hosts are The Grace Life DIY, At Home with Lisa, Jill Style, and Marilyn Cozy Lifestyle. So be sure to head on over to their channels and check out their videos and subscribe. And also, if you follow the hashtag Christmas Freestyle, you can check out the other creators' videos as well and see how their creations are. So stay tuned for my video. So I'm just going to be kind of decorating the table with a table runner that I had made. And to make the table runner, I just glued some placemats together and I added some diamond wrap and some jewels. So that was my little DIY. And then I'll be just adding some a centerpiece and a candle. And then also I did a DIY on that centerpiece that you see right there. I did that DIY. That video will be coming. And it's a sign that says family. And then I just added some Christmas flowers and some glitter and some sequins. And that was it. So you'll stay tuned for that video. It'll be coming up soon. Then I just added a little flower arrangement.